Hello, and now we're going to show you how to make the classic Caipirinha. Born in the slums of Brazil, this is a delectable drink, perfect for your barbecues. First you're going to need some ice. We recommend crushed ice. You can use a rolling pin to smash this up, or if you don't have such implements, it has been known to use pointy shoes to stamp on it. So, we have an ice bucket here. Don't worry, it's not grandmother's ashes. So, for the drink, you will need cachaça. Cachaça is a hard drink to get hold of in these parts of the world, so we'll settle for a decent rum. Here we're using Red Leg spiced rum. So, take your shaker, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, depending on the quality of your limes. And the quality of the limes can vary dramatically. They can be very sharp, so a little bit more sugar gets you on the way. There. Right, now we need a rolling pin as well to grind things with. We also need a lime. Take your lime and slice it in half, like so. And you cut it in again in half, both halves, and again into quarters, or eighths, I believe, if my drug weights are anything to go by. Add that to the sugar. At this point, I tend to start grinding. If you have to make a lot of these, be careful of these. You wouldn't believe how tennis elbow can creep up on an old man. That should do it. Okay. Now that's ground, we add the rum. If you get the lid off, this is a double measure of rum, so 2 shots of rum. Add it to the mixture, like so. And if you're like me, like a bit of a stronger one, add a little bit more. Always helps. Right, so now, take grandmother's ashes, or the ice. Here we've pre-crushed some ice, but like I say, give it a little bang. We all like those, don't we? Oh, Jesus. Right, so ice crushed. Fill generously. And that should do it. Good. If you haven't got one of these, I don't know what you're going to do, but if you haven't got a lid for one of these, you can also stick one of those frat party cups on top and give it a generous shake. Is it raining? Now that should do it. Add this to your glass like so. There we have the classic Caipirinha. Now sit back with your Caipirinha and enjoy our next act, Son of Ugly, where they will be showing, I'm so tired. They'll be showing some home movies as well as a couple of live performances. Bottoms up.